Morning. We're in Brussels still, but we're taking a day trip outside of the city. So what we're doing right now is we're walking to the Rudebeek station, where we're going to take the train, the subway here, to the central station in Brussels, and then we're gonna hop on a train that'll take us to Bruges.
So we got tickets, and now we're trying to figure out if we can make this next train.
Leaves in 5 minutes.
Leaves in 5 minutes, so we just gotta find it. Also, getting tickets was a little stressful. There was a ton of people in line, but luckily it was in English, so we lucked out on that.
We missed it. It runs again in 20 minutes, and that train was completely packed, so rather wait 20 minutes and have a place to sit. We jumped on a train that goes through Bruges. It should go through Bruges, so we should be okay. Goes through Alter and then Bruges.
It kind of depends on whoever comes around and scans our tickets, if they're feeling kind.
Yeah, we'll see. I feel like we've only been on this train like 20 minutes and we're already almost to Ghent, which is, I think, a little over halfway to Bruges, so it's really fast. I'm very excited, very excited. This is a place that I've wanted to come for a long time. It's very beautiful, canals everywhere, beautiful buildings everywhere. We don't particularly know where to go, but there's a massive crowd just walking in one direction, so we were like, all right, we'll just join.
Sounds like fun.
It costs 30 euros to take the train here from Brussels, which is kind of wild because no one checked our tickets at all at any point. We just bought them, walked on the train, got off the train, and got out of the train station. It's number one on your list of things to do here in Bruges today.
Well, it was to get a waffle, but I think you have other plans.
Actually, I love that idea. Let's get a waffle.
We're headed to a place called House of Waffles.
I'm gonna get a waffle. Totally sure what to expect from this because normally when I eat waffles, they're like sweet with like whipped cream and powdered sugar and stuff like that. The things that you would get on a normal waffle. I've never got a waffle that's like a BLT, minus the T. I'm not a big tomato guy. Excited?
Yes, look how much cheese is on this. Are we kidding? It's like a giant, I don't know, caprese with a waffle. Waffles are incredible and have me kind of questioning if I like savory over sweet. I don't know.
Probably wondering why we're not in Bruges still, and we're on the train back to Brussels, and it's because we had a bit of an accident. Hannah stood up to use the restroom and her foot was asleep, but she walked like she normally does. She felt a few pops in her ankle. She's okay, but she ended up fainting in the bathroom and hitting her head really hard on the wall. There was an American doctor that took a look at it. He said it probably wasn't broken, it was just probably a really bad sprain. So we're counting our blessings and we're headed back to Brussels. As you can see, not every day works out perfectly the way we envision. I guess this will be more of like a life vlog of like showing our lives because this is real life even though we're traveling. Things do happen, curveballs do get thrown, and just gotta roll with them.
We were lucky that there was someone there to help us, and I am more mad at myself that I walked on a foot that was asleep when I probably shouldn't have. This is a PSA. Don't walk on your legs when they're asleep. Learning moment for sure.
It's a train station, but this is Ghent. This is another place that we had talked about trying to come. Maybe this wouldn't happen if we'd gone to Ghent.
We'll just have to come back. I won't let the ankle take my Bruges and Ghent joy.
You mean to tell me our future has an adventure in it?
That was good.
What's crazy is I think your ankle's like already bruising. She got it. You get it instead of bruising? Not about all this now, but like I don't want it to detract from the fact that what happened in the restaurant was absolutely terrifying. I'm just very glad she's okay.
Well, one, I already said my PSA, don't walk or use any limbs while they're asleep. 2, go to Bruges and Ghent if you can, if you're in Brussels. It's beautiful. We definitely enjoyed our hour there. And enjoy these beautiful drone shots that Trey got of Bruges because they're wonderful drone shots and I don't know if I'll be able to use them.